How's it going, everybody? We brought the most expensive hydrophones underwater and we managed to record the original sounds of these sheep sea slugs. Well, what really happened is there's this strategy on my channel where I'm grabbing you with, humor and fun, and then once I have you, I'm teaching you things about the ocean and about biology. So I hope you don't mind being grabbed. So this is Costasiella kuroshimae, which is a sarcoglossan, which is a mollusk, a sea slug. It's a relative of the nudibranchs, but it's not a nudibranch. And this blue variant is actually a different species of Costasiella. And these are sap-sucking slugs, meaning they sit on this algae, and in Dauin it's almost always Avrainvillea. I hope I did not butcher this name. And this is a siphonous algae, meaning that there is a cell wall like in a regular algae and in a plant, but only on the outside. The inside, the space between the cells does not have cell walls, so it's like one giant cell with lots of nuclei. And so this makes it easy to suck out for these sap-sucking slugs. Now what they do then, they suck out the algae material and then they feed off that. But not only that, they also take the photosynthetic organelle, so these little parts of the algae cells which convert sunlight into biological energy. They're called chloroplasts or plastids, and they take them and they integrate them in the ventricles of the intestine. So you can actually see that somewhat on this close-up. So these animals are the size of a small rice grain, and if you look for them underwater and you don't already know that they're there, you will not find them. So what these are then? These are animals which nevertheless do photosynthesis like a plant or like the algae, and in this case like the algae which they feed on. So I wish humans could do this, just integrate plastids in their skin and lay in the sun and get fed. I hope you enjoyed this, both the science as well as the humor, and check back soon.